Hi, my friends, and welcome to another session for Reiki. I'm Albert, a Reiki master. So we're going to focus on the third eye, right here, the mind's eye, right here. So the room is purple, and that's what third eye. Amethyst. The amethyst stone. Focus on the amethyst, your third eye. Visualize, close your eyes and visualize. And sometimes a light can help, just a light into the room, that whether it's the sun or a light or a shade, whatever it is, you can open up your third eye and you can see things. You can see objects. So with me right now, follow my lead. Close your eyes so you can open up your mind's eyes. The eye between right here, and open it up. And look at the wonders that it holds. Take a deep breath. Third eye. Take a deep breath. Third eye. Take a deep breath. Third eye. Third eye. That's the sixth chakra. Known as the mind eye and the third eye. You're seeing eye. Very positive. Very holding. It can reach out into other worlds. It takes you to other realms, other earth. When you dream, you go someplace else. You leave your body and you go to another earth or another plateau. Those are what the dreams take you to, the dream world. The world of where you can live out somebody else's life. You change place. That's why every time you dream something different. If you dream the same, that means you're going back there all the time. That's a place you're going to go back to. And sometimes in reality, you have deja vu. Deja vu. You ever have that? Deja vu is when you see something in the dream and you see it in real life and you just get that little tingling feeling that it happened already. That's deja vu. I have many of those deja vus all the time. My destiny is the deja vu because I know what's going to happen. Now, a lot of us here practice Reiki, which I do as a Reiki master for 10 years. I go beyond that. I have other features and abilities too I haven't discussed here yet. But it's all to help heal you. When I take my inner soul and I take all the energy I have and send it to you, that's extra energy. That's beyond Reiki. Yeah. That's why a lot of you say you feel something else. Yes, you feel the power and energy coming from me. That's why I give that to you. I share that with you. So with the third eye, I'm sharing that with you too. The amethyst, the royal crystal right on your third eye. It's very powerful. Very powerful. You can see, like I said, you can see now. Now I'm seeing green. Even though, yes, green is appearing. A nice shade of green, positive energy. I helped somebody today who experienced her oldest son fighting with his girlfriend. I asked him what's happening. They were arguing. That's not good. That's negative. I told her, you got to get out of this. She did leave. He left. And she left. She went to her daughter's house. She had to get out of that's negative. You got to get out of there. Get away from the person that's starting the negative. And that's what she did. She left. Now she's at peace. The person that's yelling and screaming will be history the next day. But like I said, you don't need to have anger in your life. You need to have positive life. Angry people don't amount to much for you. Okay? And don't be angry at nobody. Don't hate nobody. In your mind, love them no matter what. Because they don't know better. If they do something stupid, that's even saying stupid is negative. But I'm going to say they do something crazy. You can't even say crazy. Whatever they did to embarrass you, put you down, it's all negative. And the best thing to do with negative people, walk away from them. Get them out of your life. Say positive. You should be happy. You should be holding yourself into peace. Meditate if you can, or watch my videos. But the third eye is powerful. Green. I see green right now. I see a light green. I can actually reach out and touch it. peaceful, peaceful tranquility, peaceful thoughts, peaceful lives, peaceful. I cut some fresh palms yesterday. The palms don't last forever. Remember, these palms are healing you. Even though they're cut, I put them in special kind of water, purified water. And it keeps them fresh. But when they start to wither, they are no longer used. And you have to discard them. But I planted these when they're just a baby in the ground. They're big now. Holy cow. Where this one come from? It's really big. But it knows me because I took care of it. The love the plants have for me. Because it's all nature. Nature is positive. That glowing light. There's your third eye. Powerful, powerful light. Powerful. Powerful light. Oh. Okay. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Take another deep breath. Take another deep breath. This video is for the third eye, and only for the third eye. We'll do another video for anger and how to deal with that. But right now, we're focused on the third eye. Make the third eye feel tranquility, peace to you. Make you feel happy. Make you feel home. Make you feel you again. You touch your third eye for you. Send healing to your third eye. Heal your third eye. Cleanse, clear that chakra. Cleanse, clear that chakra. I take the glowing light and the crystal into your third eye. Cleanse, clear, remove any clogs. Cleanse, clear, remove any clogs. Spin, 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 spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal. Pluck, 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 pluck the negative out. Pluck out the negative. Pluck, 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 pluck the negative. Pluck it out, pluck it out. Spin, spin, spin. Heal, 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 heal. Spin, spin, spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal, spin, spin, spin. Heal. Take a deep breath. Third eye. Release any blockages in your third eye. Your sixth chakra will cleanse. Feel the cleansing. Feel the healing. Feel again. Feel. heal you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Do support the channel so more videos can come out by subscribing. Thank you very much. Thank you to all who have subscribed to the channel. Make this channel grow. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. Right now, we're going to heal each chakra separately in a separate video and focus on that. Focus on that chakra so you can get a complete healing. Okay? Thank you. Chant.